everyone. Welcome to our gardening channel. Today we'll learn how to graft a mango tree using a technique called grafting. Before we begin, let's understand what grafting is. Grafting is a method of asexual propagation where we join a scion, desired plant part from one tree onto the rootstock, existing tree. This allows us to create a new tree with desirable traits. Number 1. Scion, a healthy branch from the mango tree you want to propagate. Number 2. Rootstock, an existing mango tree that will receive the scion. Number 3. Sharp and sterilized grafting knife to make precise cuts. Number 4. Transparent plastic wrap or bag to cover the graft. Number 5. Thin plastic tire wire to secure the graft. Number 6. Sterilized pruning shears for trimming. Selecting the donor branch scion, choose a healthy, disease-free branch from the mango tree you want to propagate. Preparing the rootstock. Select a suitable branch on the existing mango tree. Make a similar diagonal cut on the rootstock, joining the scion and rootstock.
Align the cut surfaces of the scion and rootstock. Secure them together using a plastic tie or wire. Cover the graft with transparent plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse effect.
Monitoring and care.
Keep the graft in a warm, shaded area. Water the graft regularly. After a few weeks, check for signs of successful grafting. New growth.
So there you have it. Grafting a mango tree is a rewarding technique for gardeners. Try it out and watch your mango tree thrive.